I was supposed to start the show. It's great I didn't. Because I don't care if you guys judge me, I just don't want to be the first one being judged. Like you can judge me, but later. You can look at me and say you are bad, but I will prefer if you look at me and say you are also bad. All of my jokes are like that. Don't have any expectations. अगर शो के बाद आपको मेरा परफॉर्मेंस पसंद आया, I'll take your autograph. You will be like, hey Jyotin, mast. I'll be like, can you give me that in writing? I have to show it to other people. Next time show खराब जा रहा है, I'll be like, इधर क्या लिखा है? You know what the fun part is? Last year I quit my job to do this. Well, nice reaction. Some people are looking at me like, oh, do you need any donations? But there are too many positive people out there. They are like, oh my God, you're following your passion. You have guts. I'm like, no, I had guts. Now I have regrets. And no money. मेरा बैंक बैलेंस एक बार zero touch हो गया. My bank started teasing me. They are like, your current balance is zero. तेरे पास पैसा नहीं है. They were actually rubbing it in my face. Your current balance is 0.00. तेरे पास एक पैसा भी नहीं है. तभी दूसरे बैंक से मैसेज आया, गेट योर जीरो बैलेंस अकाउंट इंस्टेंटली. I'm like, I already have one. एक दूसरा नेगेटिव में उसको जीरो बैलेंस कर दे रहा हूँ. They're not even taking me seriously. This is the message I got. Very brutal. Dear Jyotin, not hi. Dear, because they think I deserve empathy. Dear Jyotin, your account has been secure. No hacker can hack into your account and transfer all the money you have. Your money is safe with us. I'm like, I will deposit something. Roz mat bhejo yaar. They are not even taking me seriously. मैंने अपना आधार कार्ड बैंक से लिंक किया. They are like, जरूरत नहीं है. हमने मैसेज किया नहीं ना. हीरो क्यों मर रहे हो? It is mandatory for others, not for you. Your account is like a pseudo account. We use it for training purposes. But I have a backup plan. My girlfriend has a job. I'm definitely marrying her. I added marriage to my bucket list and ticked it. मैं ब्रेकअप नहीं कर सकता. She can, please. एक बार मैंने भी ब्रेकअप करने का सोचा था, but then she got a promotion. She needs me now. Who will spend all the money, right? The great thing is, I am totally dependent on her. Right? Great. She's not at all dependent on me. Amazing. I want her to think that she's dependent on me so that she doesn't break up, right? Like, if she ever wins an award in future, she can at least be like, I would like to thank Jyotin for being there. I don't know what he was doing, but he was always there. Even when I was not looking for him, he was still there. The only contribution I have in my relationship is my bike. So whenever she's going to office, I'm like, I will drop you. She's like, no, I can get an auto. I'm like, I am your auto. Give me 50 rupees, I will drop you. Give me 100, I will pick you up also. We recently got engaged. Thank you guys. Only 2 ladies are excited about it. Recently, and I told my friends, they were like, congratulations dude, are you nervous for the wedding? I'm like, no, it's the same girl. If on the day of the wedding the girl changes, I'll be excited. If on the wedding she calls me, hey, I cannot come, I'm sending my friend, I'll be like, nice. Which one? इतने टाइम से डेट कर रहा हूँ, I won't be nervous because see, it's like ordering a pizza and getting a pizza. यही होना था, यही हुआ है. बड़ी बात क्या है? If I get a burger, I'll be like, oh, this is strange, but I like burgers too. Arranged marriages are different for men and women both. For men, it's like someone else orders a burger for you, and you are like, really? And the burger company will give me money? Can I have 2? Abdul got 4. He doesn't even share. Okay, I'll adjust with 1. With women, it's like someone else orders a burger for you, and you're like, I don't even like burgers. They are fat and brown. I like sandwiches. They are slim, white, and healthy. My whole college life I had sandwiches. Now you want me to have a burger? No, I'm used to sandwiches. Plural. More than 1 at a time. I can take 3 right now. One of my friends was getting married and she was so angry about her arranged marriage. All she wanted to have was a fling with me. I'm like, what? I look like a burger, dude. Why? Your father got you a sandwich. Why do you want to have a burger? She's like, today is my cheat day. I'm trying to be active on social media, but it is very scary. Everybody's complaining, man. This is fucked up. That is fucked up. The government is fucking with us. And I have accepted it. I'm like, if my government doesn't fuck with me, then who will? I don't want a government from another country to fuck with me. I'm like, you fuck with me, apna lagta hai. It's like if you're... Yes, thank you very much. It's like if your friends give you birthday bumps, it's called birthday bumps. If a bunch of strangers give you birthday bumps, it's called kicking your ass. You got ass whooped. That's all what happened. I don't like that. That's why whenever I get scared when government is not fucking with us. I'm like, what else are you doing? Every time you bother us, we feel at home. Please bother us. Like मेरे घर में लाइट चली जाती है तो I'm fine with it. लाइट नहीं जाती है तो I'm like, oh, पानी काट देंगे. Then I check for water. I'm like, oh, पानी भी आ रहा है. Oh, टैक्स बढ़ा देंगे. कुछ काटना या बढ़ाना है वही करना है उनको. Then I go out of my house. They're digging the road. I'm like, oh, there it is. You guys almost scared me. Now I feel better. I feel at home. The worst part is, the worst thing I hate is when government is trying to do good for us and still fucks with us. I'll give you an example. You guys remember the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan advertisement? A few. Okay, that's why it failed. Okay. I'll tell you, ad शुरू होता है, they're like घर साफ कर लो, गली साफ कर लो, पूरा शहर साफ कर लो. मैंने कर लिया. I'm like, फेंकना कहाँ है? ad खत्म. पूरा बता के जाया, आधा बता के चला गया. It's like they are saying clean everything and keep it. Pick up the garbage, take it home. This is democracy. Government is not involved. It's of the people, for the people, by the people. That makes sense to me sometimes. Like I'm standing outside, if you come to me and ask for directions, I'll be like, सीधा जाना, right लेना, फिर तू देख ले यार. सब मैं ही बताऊंगा क्या? तेरा खुद का दिमाग नहीं है. Hit a dead end and then figure out your life. This is like a dead end to me. कहाँ फेंकूं ये कूड़ा? रोड पे. मुझे रोड पे कूड़ा फेंकना पसंद नहीं है. दिन में. रात में is less guilty. You can be like, अरे रे अरे ये. Walk out. मैं एक जगह कूड़ा फेंकता था. अगले दिन पोस्टर लग गया. Don't throw garbage here. 1,000 rupees fine. तो मैंने दूसरी गली में कूड़ा फेंका. अगले दिन वहां भी पोस्टर लग गए. I'm like, अगर तुझे पता है कहाँ पोस्टर लगाना है, वहां डस्टबिन लगा दे यार. इतनी मुश्किल से मैं लोकेशन ढूंढता हूँ. पोस्टर लगा के चला जाता है. वो पोस्टर से 3 दिन तक साफ रहता है. फिर वो पोस्टर फट के नीचे गिर जाता है. एंड पीपल आर लाइक, इधर कूड़ा फेंकना, इधर गवर्नमेंट भी फेंक के गया. I don't want to blame government for everything. People are also like that. I saw this guy. He was peeing on the wall of a public toilet. What will you tell him? He'll be like, I'm using it from outside. You think outside the box, I pee outside the box. This guy reached the public toilet. Fuck that. The hardest part is he found a public toilet. He reached there and he's like, public toilet है तो गंदा होगा. But ये wall. देखो कितना चमक रहा है. Let me check if it's narrow leg. I will pee on it and try to wipe it off. जैसा ad में दिखाते हैं. I saw this guy, he was peeing on the wall, on the fence of an army area. Wow, that guy has balls and a bladder. Fucking crazy, dude. How can army? They have snipers. They can shoot at you from anywhere while they are peeing. They can aim at your dick. They can remove the problem from its roots. This guy is still peeing. Not even like फटाफट करके निकल जाओ. 2 मिनट तक कर रहा है. Like he's not scared. He's like taunting them. कुछ करके दिखा. Who am I to judge the government, right? I don't know. Whatever. Because see, I don't have leadership qualities. I have great deputy leadership qualities. I can be a great vice captain. Like last over, people are like, एक ओवर में 2 रन चाहिए. किसको bowling दे? I'll be like, I have a plan. Let's listen to the captain. If you lose, it's your fault. If you win, it's a team game. Even while growing up, all I wanted to become was a co-pilot. Because everybody wants to be a pilot. Co-pilot, no competition at all. If you go for pilot exam, you have to fly the plane and show it to them. If you go for co-pilot exam, you have to sit. मुझे आता है. मैं बचपन से बैठ रहा हूँ. 30 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है मुझे. I think that's how they hire. They're like, hey, have a seat. You sit nicely. We like the way you landed your ass on the chair. When you sit and do nothing, do you feel sleepy? No. Perfect. That's what we are looking for. I know you guys are thinking, no, co-pilot has to do everything, learn everything, right? Train every day. Then he becomes a pilot. नहीं चाहिए promotion. I just want to be the guy who controls the music and the navigation, like आगे वाले बादल से right लेना. I just want to be the best pilot in the supporting role. That's all I want to be. If you guys still thinking no, co-pilot does something, right? Let me tell you, who's the most important guy on the flight? First, pilot. Second, autopilot. Third, God. Co-pilot is not even in top 3. He's just a passenger in uniform. He shows up, pilot is like, idhar बैठ. कोई बटन को हाथ मत लगाना. Tell me some gossip. In case of turbulence or crash, whatever happens, people will be like, what you guys were doing? I'll be like, talk to the pilot, man. I was just passing nachos. He choked on them and pressed the wrong button. I got married. Check, is that my wife? Because no matter what happens, she knows. She knows everything. Where am I? What am I doing? Check. She's checking. How gullible are you? She's checking. Oh, maybe I know her, his wife. I got married 2 weeks before lockdown. 6 months of lockdown felt like 6 years. I couldn't even leave. I tried. You would think my wife was stopping me? No, the watchman was stopping me. He was like, get back in. Spend time with your wife. Even the government was on her side. They are messaging me, stay at home. Wash your hands. Wash your face also. And spend time with your wife. How much time do you want to spend with your own wife? But it's fun. It's a love marriage, and let me tell you from experience, arranged marriage is far better than love marriage. Because marriage ruins everything. Why would you do that to someone you love? Find someone you don't know and ruin their life. If you love someone, let them go. If they come back, then you leave. Just stay as far as possible. That's how love grows. They miss you and all. People are like, hey, we love each other and we should get married. Those are two different statements. Don't say to the same person. Find a different one and make them suffer. Like real marriage. Some people are laughing, others are looking at me like, that's a good idea, man. Why does it make sense? Should not make sense this much. We are here for jokes. Don't give us life lessons. Tomorrow I'm going to go and break up. Right? I'm not saying don't fall in love. Fall in love. But love them like you love your parents. You don't want to live with them. In an arranged marriage, there is no case that Dulha and Dulhan are fighting on the mandap. But in love marriage, that can happen. I'm telling you this because it happened. I sat on her lehenga. It's over. We were talking about divorce right there. I was like, Swaha, she's like, sign here. I got yelled at. She's like, Andha hai kya? Dikhta nahi hai kya? I'm like, we have been together for 6 years. Don't ask this question now. She's like, you are ruining my lehenga, you are ruining my wedding. I'm like, when you are yelling at me, at least that time call it our wedding. When you're yelling at me, people are looking at me. To them, it looks like I came from outside. Trying to ruin this wedding. I dressed in a sherwani to ruin this wedding. I got my entire family to ruin the wedding. Felt like that. If this was arranged marriage, she wouldn't say anything to me. Something like that happens, she will look at her mom. Be like, Ma. Her mom also won't say anything to me. She'll go to my mom. Be like, aapka beta. There's a protocol you have to follow. There's hierarchy, alright? You tell your assistant tells my assistant, and then my assistant doesn't give a f***. But in love marriage, you can just punch the dulha in front of the pandit. The pandit saw it. He stopped in the middle of a swaha. There is no gap in the middle of a swaha. He was like, Swa? Do you want to undo this? मैं मंत्र उल्टा पढ़ता हूँ. सब cancel हो जाएगा. Just being honest. That's all I want. Have you ever been honest and people think you're rude? With you, I can understand. Right? I don't like that. I try to be honest all the time. It's just wrong. I'll give you an example. I was when I came here, I was in a local train. Okay, I had my trolley bag. I was on my phone. ट्रॉली बैग कुछ ट्रेन को झटका लगा, ट्रॉली बैग गिर गया. बगल में बच्चा खड़ा था, वो भी गिर गया. मैं झुका, मैं बस ट्रॉली बैग उठाया. Everybody looked at me like, बच्चा क्यों नहीं उठाया? I'm like, मेरा ट्रॉली बैग खुद खड़ा नहीं हो सकता. I'm helping the one who is in need. वो खड़ा हो सकता है, उसके हाथ और पैर दोनों हैं. My trolley bag looks like a guy with no hands and 2 tiny tires. वो नहीं उठ सकता. I'm helping the one. I don't even know if he wants to get up. I'm not his dad. I don't control his life. गिर के बैठा कौन रहता है? He sat down like he got a seat. He's like, oh, बड़ा seat है ये. His dad is standing next to me. He's not picking him up. Maybe he's like, oh, I'm not his dad. Looks like my watchman. Okay, I agree that was rude. Alright, I agree. But sometimes you have to be rude. Don't try to be nice. Let's say if he insults me right now, I can be like, fuck you. Right? I cannot sugarcoat it and be like, may I fuck you? He'll call me gay, call the police. Or he will say yes. So I have to fuck him then. I didn't pick up the kid because it's very dicey with the kids. Right? मेरे घर के सामने बच्चे आते हैं, शोर मचाते हैं. It's very annoying. I want to yell at them, but मेरे नहीं है. मेरे होते तो थप्पड़ मार देता. Right? बच्चे नाक की तरह होते हैं. दूसरे का हो तो उंगली नहीं करते. अपना हो तो करो, पर घर के अंदर नहीं के बिना रह नहीं सकते. नाक में दम हो जाता है. You have to do it. I'm not saying you should beat your kids. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying it must feel great. Otherwise, why would you beat your own creation? Why? I have one reason. Maybe they hate themselves, but they don't want to beat themselves. So they are like, hey, he looks like me. That's what I feel. मैं अपने घर से निकला, मेरा पड़ोसी अपने बच्चे को थप्पड़ मार रहा था. I'm like, as a father, you should not beat your kids. Allow me to do it. I already hate him. बहुत शोर मचाता है. If I hate him, he will never hate his father. He will hate me. That kid will never grow up with daddy issues. He will grow up with neighbor issues. Who cares? You go to the therapist, you're like, I have neighbor issues. He's like, f*** off. I also have. That's what I want. I want parents to stop beating their kids and hire their neighbors to beat their kids. Like 1 weekend, just go out and be like, Shukla ji, 300 per head. I have 3. Let's do this. If that happens, right, I will make so much money. Oh my God. I will quit comedy. That will be my main thing. I will just slap kids. I will create an app called Urban Slap. You book me, I come on a scooty, beat your kids. And if you know parents who don't want to beat their kids, you can just be like, gift a slap. And you can tell me if their kid loves a superhero, like I will dress up as Batman, be their kid. But it's not like you can slap a kid and get away with it, right? Because slapping a kid is like child abuse. It is child abuse. But touching a kid is borderline pedophilia. मान लो मैंने उसे थप्पड़ मारा, उसको लग गया 5 साल जेल. मान लो मैंने उसे थप्पड़ मारा and he moved and my hands gracefully touched him. उम्र कैद. कोई नहीं बचाएगा. His parents will call the police and be like, this man touched my kid. I'll be like, no, I was slapping him. He moved, arrest him. And you know the police, they'll be like, they'll ask the kid like, did uncle touch you and then slap you? Or did uncle slap you then touch you? Or did uncle slap you while touching you? And you know the kids, they'll be like, I don't know. He looked like he liked it. He was aggressive but passionate. I think he enjoyed it. I'll be like, police officer, just take me to jail. I don't want to talk about this. Shoot me here. Khatam karo abhi. That's why I think if you're ever in a situation where you have to slap a kid, make sure you slap him. If he runs away, chase him and then slap him. Slap extra for running away. And make sure 3 other kids are watching. So that if police comes, they will be like, nahi, laga tha. बहुत जोर से आवाज भी आए. बबलू का मुंह अभी तक लाल है. One time I was driving and I realized I'm driving behind a car with L sticker on it. And immediately my head was like, we have to focus. Because see, somebody taught me how to drive, but nobody taught me how to drive behind L sticker. I get nervous, man. Yeah, because when I'm driving behind you, I don't care if that L means learning. I want to know how much have you learnt. L1, L2, something. I want to know how long have you been driving. 2 months, 2 weeks, 2 kilometers. Right? This guy's L sticker was peeling off. I'm like, how long have you been learning that the sticker gave up? It looked like he started when the petrol was 62. See, that's why I need more information when I'm driving behind you. I think we can use other stickers if we are using L. Right? Like U-turn नहीं आता. I, indicator क्या होता है? R, road मेरे बाप का है. A, amateur, B, बेवड़ा, C, चढ़ा देगा गाड़ी. Right? Because when you're driving behind them, you can't even assume कि he knows. Can you assume? You can't, because this is a life and death situation. Imagine if you're standing here with apple on your head, right? I am there with bow and arrow, right? And you see a trainee batch. You won't be like, no, he knows, this is last day of training ka. Look, he's so confident, he's looking here and there, he's not even looking straight. You won't be like, you will run. You will run so fast, apple will stay there. Then after 2 seconds it will fall. I was behind this guy and he suddenly stopped. And because he is learning in the middle of the road, there's a truck this side, there's a bus this side. In the middle he's like, is this the handbrake? Oh, this stops the car? I thought this stops the hand. Then he turns on the rear windshield wipers. It was not raining. It looked like John Cena doing this. You can't see me. And I'm like, I see you. We all are seeing you. And we are very excited to see what part of the car will move next. I hope it's the tires. So we were excited. Right? This is like a suspense thriller now. He looks right. I'm like, okay, he's going to take a right. He puts the left indicator on. I'm like, he's going to take a left. There's a plot twist. He takes reverse. I'm like, ये क्या कर रहा है? चलाना नहीं आता क्या? He looked at me and he smiled. He's like, हाँ नहीं आता. L sticker नहीं देखा क्या? I judged his driving skills, he judged my reading skills. Couldn't even argue with him. But I wanted to say something. I was like, hey, I don't see anybody teaching you. How are you learning? He said, online. I saw a guy driving a scooty with L sticker on it. That L is for low self-esteem. When you buy a scooty, we know you didn't learn any real vehicle. That's why we are giving you a toy. Don't put L on scooty. I saw one guy, he was driving a car with L sticker on it and baby on board. Are you teaching baby to drive? He is learning driving and parenting at the same time. And the way he was driving, he was bad at both. Because he took a turn and then put his indicator on. He was off by 10 seconds. ये सोच रहा होगा पीछे वाला मुझे जज कर रहा है कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. मैं इसे अब बताता हूँ मैं क्या कर रहा था. I took a turn successfully. Now I should brag about it. लोग कह के लेते हैं, मैं लेके कहता हूँ. That's like you go to toilet, you pee, and then you open your zip. Just laugh, no need to imagine. Everybody was like, oh, I saw drops on his jeans. I can see it. No need to imagine. But there's another thing they haven't upgraded yet is the government ambulances. They are not soundproof. Right? Don't look at me. I'll tell you. Everybody's like, what is your problem, man? They're not soundproof. I found it the hard way. I had a severe pain here. I passed out. When I woke up, I was in the ambulance. Actually, I woke up because of the ambulance. For you guys who are stuck in traffic, ambulance siren is wow, 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 wow. For me, it was like waking up inside the alarm clock. And the alarm tone is wow, 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 wow. I was like, where is the snooze button? This keeps growing, man. What is this? I thought I'm about to die. I can see my whole life in a flash. And that's the background music. In a flashback, I'm seeing my first kiss. And the background music is wow, 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 wow. Then there are people on the road who don't even leave way for the ambulance. Now the ambulance has to honk. It's wow, wow, pam, pam. I'm like, ये तो रिदम में भी नहीं है यार. पहले दर्द इधर था, धीरे धीरे इधर हो गया. मैं हॉस्पिटल पहुंचा, डॉक्टर इज लाइक, योर किडनी स्टोन्स हैव मेल्टेड because of the siren. Now you have brain tumor. That doctor is on the 3rd floor. Go. Like you can't even complain. You can't be like, oh, please make it like soundproof, or at least give me a noise cancellation headphone, right? They will be like, you're coming to hospital only, no? We will fix you. Patient with one problem, who cares? कान से खून निकलेगा, सर दर्द होगा, challenge accepted. That's how many challenges they want. फिर स्ट्रेचर क्यों? मुझे नीचे लेटा दो. मुझे ऐसा करो, एम्बुलेंस के आगे बांध दो. मेरे हाथ में गिटार दो, मैं बजाऊंगा. गिटार से आग निकलेगा, लोग भागेंगे. And if they are fans of hard rock, they'll follow the ambulance. I'll enter the hospital like a celebrity. I remember that day vividly because I was in this ambulance. I woke up and the back door was a little bit open. Right? Let's say broken. Right? So I can see behind. Another ambulance started following us. And if you are driving that ambulance, you will be like, सामने वाला बजा रहा है ना, मैं बंद कर देता हूँ. But this guy was like, no, I have my own DJ set. I'll play the same tone in a different remix and make it weird. Like my ambulance was wow, wow. There's a gap. You feel the gap? He was like, I'll take the gap. So I'm listening to wow, 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 wow. And I have heard stories that people die in an ambulance. I thought this is how they do. Right? Since the thing is, I can see the driver, right? So this is what I did. I did this. In reply, this is what he did. I was clearly saying, siren, band kar de. He thought this man dying. I have this irrational fear though. Let's say like in future I'm really old and I get a heart attack and my family calls an ambulance. They're taking me there. Then I see there's an L sticker on the ambulance. I'll be like, kill me here. Why are you taking me there? And it could be a great treatment. My heart sees that, it'll be like, L sticker, I'll pump back, I'm good boy. Don't go in there, I'm pumping.